What's going on, friends? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's vlog. Today we have a pretty busy day. We got to head over to Clarity Autoworks because we are getting a ceramic coating on the GTR. We're going to ceramic coat everything. We're getting the Brembo decals put on the calipers. Let's head over there. Let's start working on that. And then we got a couple other things that we're going to be working on today too as well. Let's go. Oh man, I really hate my driveway. It is so steep and I'm getting really sick and tired of scraping every time I come in and out. Hold on a sec. There we go. Well, we'll have to work with that. Yeah, I'm just getting really sick and tired of scraping every time I go in and out of my driveway. So there's only like two solutions. One is like redo my driveway at a different angle to where I can drive down it without scraping, or I gotta bag the car. And realistically, I think bagging the car is the better option. It's probably cheaper, and I think I'll get some value out of it because obviously the car will be dope AF if I bag it. So maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll bag the car specifically so I don't scrape going in and out of my driveway. Man. Boom. Damn, that looks good. Oh, and the C8 Corvette. Oh, man. All right, guys, which one looks better? This blue C8. Dude, look at how it just glistens under these lights. I don't want to say that's a flex, but that is a flex. That looks so good. All right, now let's check out this bad boy. Doesn't have as good lighting, so that's not really fair. Yeah, lighting's definitely not as good. All right, let's do it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Dude, I love the placement of that backup camera. Dude, this is my favorite color. This is insane. This is definitely my favorite color one.
Oh yeah.
This is so sick.
I like
and
his
dude,
interior. He did the two-tone.
will he care if I sit in here?
No, go ahead.
Okay.
It's comfortable, huh?
Dude.
I mean, it's cozy.
I just want to push all the buttons. Oh my
I know.
god.
It's very like fighter cockpit feeling, like fighter jet, you know what I mean?
Dude.
Yeah. You know what's crazy too is the backup or the god dang it, the mirror.
Tell me, the mirror.
The mirror is actually a camera.
Oh, is it?
Have you noticed? Have you seen that before? Watch.
What?
Go ahead and start the car. Like put your foot on the brake and start it.
Where's the start
Right
button?
up there.
Where?
right.
Oh, there we go. Oh, there it is.
All right, go ahead.
Oh my god! Yeah. And what a view! What a view! That is sick! Oh my god!
Yeah, isn't that cool? It's the camera. It's really weird.
What?
Takes a second to get used to.
I'm used to it already. That is so badass. Oh my god.
The drive select modes are pretty sick too. So that center where it says mode, it's where you rest your hand on. Nope, right there. You rotate that and it actually, it has a slight delay though, I will say, on the C8. So wait a sec, it'll change. And then the track mode's pretty neat too.
Oh, I'm sure.
To the right.
Changing the dash modes?
Yeah.
Yeah, there is a delay.
We're in tour, yeah, sport, and then go one more and you'll hit track. Yeah, it's almost weird how big of a delay there is, isn't it?
Yeah, that's extremely
It's
weird.
like it's trying to process it real hard.
Yeah, but it's pretty neat. I like how they did it.
Oh my goodness. And the top comes off?
Yep.
What?
Top is removable.
It needs tint though.
He doesn't want to hide the colors.
Oh my God. If he doesn't want to hide the colors, then he needs 20%.
I mean, I told him I thought the tip would look pretty good.
Yeah. Dude, I'm just blown away.
Yeah, they did do a very good job on this car.
Damn.
And then of course they retained the function to where on the new Vettes, you push it down and it pulls itself the rest of the way so you can break it. But it's really weird on the front, they didn't do it.
On the front.
It feels like cheap almost.
Yeah, you know.
Well, actually there was an issue where owners would have the key in their pocket and somehow they'd accidentally press this button while driving and it would throw the hood up while driving. So they updated it and now you have to press and hold it for a while. Double tap and then hold. But yeah.
Damn, that's funny though. Wow. Damn, this interior. I want that Corvette interior. That C8 Corvette interior was just insane. Damn it. Why'd I have to sit in it? Come on, man.
I don't want to hear it.
Do you need a hand? Do you want me to put my camera down?
No, I'm good, Jeff, I'm good.
Us cutter.
With Chick-fil-A sauce.
What? Wait, they actually sell?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
I'm showing this to my wife. She's gonna love it.
Dude, it's like $3 for that.
Delicious and delightful.
Yep.
Oh my God.
Hard to believe.
Oh, nope.
Okay, why?
Why?
Alright, stop.
Get it right this time.
Dog, what the actual F? Alright.
Alright. Take 5, guys. We're on take 5. We're gonna get this.
Alright.
Take 5.
Switch my settings.
Oh, it was a setting. It was someone else's fault.
Was.
Nice.
Told you. It's gonna adjust how hard it's cutting just to be a little less intense.
Well, we got 1 done.
It's not sunny outside.
Nice.
Fender. On the fender. Goes away.
I don't get it. So why does it go away?
You're kind of melting the
Oh, that makes sense.
top of the vinyl. Clear brow's the same thing. Shit works so good, damn.
How much shinier your wheels are, by the way? Glossier they look?
Yeah, they look way glossier.
Yeah, a lot of it's out.
A lot of it's out. Yeah, those 3. I don't know where that came from. All right, so here we've got some ceramic coating, and what this is gonna do is Jared's gonna tell you what this is gonna do.
So it goes on as a liquid, and then it hardens. We bake it on, and it basically allows a hard layer to sit on top of the vinyl. Makes it a lot easier for dirt, decontamination, stuff like that to slide right off because it prevents things from being able to stick. It just has to get buffed with the cloth. Just like I'm doing to your wheels, same thing here.
Check it out. I'm getting buff with a cloth.
Nice, Jeff, nice.
All right, friends, after a very long day, it's done. The ceramic coating, all the touch-ups, everything is done. The car's looking good, and we're gonna pull it out so we can see how it looks in the glistening, cloudy day. All right, bring it out. Oh, look at the Diode Dynamics reverse light mod. Those reverse lights look so good. Oh yeah. Oh, look at this C8 in my car. never get to hear that. It sounds so good. Oh, dude, these wheels are, they look like glass.
Well, Jim, it's worth it.
Oh my God. And you, like, the camera can't get it. It's impossible. The green pops even more. Did you ceramic coat the calipers too?
Yeah.
Oh my God, they look like glass. This is unbelievable. Woo-hoo. Dude, I can't wait for that wing.
It's gonna look nuts.
Change the whole profile of the rear end of the car. Look at this.
So by the way, don't wash the car for like 2 days. The rain getting on it is fine.
I don't usually wash my car. Amazing.
Much, much better.
The black roof with the nice tint, the black spoiler. Oh my God. It looks so good. Right next to that C8 Corvette too, damn. Oh dude, the carbon accents and the wing, can't wait. That'll be probably like my after Christmas car update.
You're like, Christmas is over, look what I bought myself.
Yeah. No. My wife bought me the carbon fiber accents, yeah.
Shoot, that's a good wife.
I know. That C8, boom.
The blue of the C8 almost makes this look black.
It does.
Because it's so bright.
That's nuts. That's nuts. All right, thanks again, man.
Got it, bro.
All right, well, that was the final touch-ups. Everything is looking pretty good. The car is looking amazing, as you guys can see. So with that being said, thanks for stopping by and checking out my channel. Thanks for watching this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.